G'day, it's Steve Robertson from Muddy River Ag here. I'd like to show you over the new Maestro RC 1238 planter from HORSCH. This machine's built in North Dakota in the United States. We've sold two of these machines out here in Australia at the present time. We're just about to install them in the next week or so for cotton planting. But these machines, really good fold mechanism on these. There's an engineering in this. The fold mechanism here, she lifts up and then in, and this is going to give us a really good transport width, and it's going to be a really good solid machine in the field. Just a couple of differences on this machine compared to the others. You've got the radar here on the outside. You've got a radar on the other side of the machine and one in the center. So this is these radars actually, if you're going in circles, so you're in center pivots and you're going round, it picks up that the outside rows are going faster than the inside, so it automatically speeds up the outside rows because you've got electric drives there on the metering units. A couple of differences on this unit compared to some of the ones that we've had out here previously. It's got the quick connect coupler here for your seed on demand hose, so that's something new, which I think is a really neat feature. So it just clips on, and when you're changing seeds over, it's a good feature. A couple other little things on the lid here. The outside three rows, because it folds over centre, the outside three rows have got this this neat little latch there to stop those magnetic lids opening. The other new feature on this machine is seed on demand. So you notice there's no lift assist wheels. There's 255 litres in that seed on demand seed wagon there. Your parking stands obviously, and a nice ladder and platform there that keeps everyone fairly safe, and it's good accessibility there. You've got the fan there. And then this is your seed on demand system here. So your seed on demand system's what supplies your seed from the hopper through to your seed pool. And this is a really good feature. There's no mechanical metering rollers or anything like that. It's just done through a Venturi system. I'll just show you here. So that fan will be running. Seed will build up in here, the seed will come through, it builds up on, covers these holes, and then your seed pool is here. So it's picking up seed out of your seed pool. When that seed pool lowers, it uncovers these holes, more air flows through your seed on demand hose, that brings more seed through from your seed on demand hopper. So there's no, it's a really ingenious system. And it's simple, there's no wearing parts in that seed on demand system, so it's just supplying more seed as your seed pool drops, and that works out really well. This is a mechanical row lockup, so you can lock up row units there mechanically. So it's just, if you want to, this machine's set up for 38, if you want to lock up every second row, you've got the ability to do that mechanically there. Your seed on demand hydraulic cylinder there, and it's all, as we said, it's all electric drive. That's the cables for your electric drive there. That's all you got to do, your electric drive system.
And Robbo, you can move these row units in and out?
Well, you can see where you can, this is your vacuum hose here. So your vacuum hose, your toolbar is actually holds your vacuum. So it gives you the ability here to move and pick up this other vacuum line here on that same toolbar. But yeah, that's basically it. It's a new machine, new to Australia. This is the first one of two here in the country. We're pretty excited about it. I think this has got a good future for the farming industry out here in Australia.